Hey, if you are asked to solve this question, how will you go about solving it? This is a Bangladesh Olympiad Math exam question, and we are given I plus I squared plus I cubed divided by I cubed plus I to the power of 4 plus I to the power of 5 equal to what? Now, before we solve this, I want you to note that I is equal to the square root of -1, right? Good. If that is that, now we can simplify this. Now, for simplify this, bringing I from the numerator, we'll have I, that will be 1 plus, this will become I plus, and this will be what? I square, right? And all this will be divided by denominator. If we bring out I to the power of 3, which is common, we'll have 1 plus I plus I square, right? And if you look at this very well, what will this solution give us? Looking at this very well, you'll find out that this will absolutely cancel out this, and the expression will now become I divided by I to the power of 3. Now, what will this solution give us? Using the power rule, knowing that we have a power of 1 here, that expression will be equal to 1 divided by I 3 minus 1. And this will be equal to 1 divided by I to the power of 2. Now, how do we simplify this? Remember, from that expression, we have that complex number expression we have up here. If we have I to the power of, we have I equal to the square root of -1. Then, if we take the square of both sides, taking the square of both sides, we'll have the square cancelling out square. Then our I square will simply be equal to -1. So that tells us that our I square is simply equal to -1. So this expression will now be 1 divided by I square, which is -1, and this will be equal to what? 1 divided by -1 is simply -1, and that is the solution to this math expression given to us here. So the solution to this expression is simply what? -1. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.